pack. You're watching the toy park. So, guys, among all the Disney princesses, who do you like the most? Well, I don't know about you, but my favorites are Elsa and Anna. So that's what we're opening today, the frozen refrigerator set. Doesn't this look very adorable? Alright, are you ready? Because we're opening this right now. Wow, I'm actually very excited. Whew. Whoa, guys, this is really tough. I'm not gonna lie. We're almost done. Just be a little patient. Stay with me, okay? Ooh, we're done. Are you excited? Yay! Okay. Let's see what we got here. Whoops, looks like I just dropped the sandwich. I'm kind of starving. I'm just going to dig in the refrigerator and see what kind of food I can get from here. Okay, so let me see. Oh, we have some pudding. What else we got here? We also have some ice cream. Don't you love ice cream as well? I love ice cream. I eat ice cream every day in summer. And wow. Oh, we also have some juice. Looks like it's, it's either green apple juice or grape juice. I'm not sure. I'm just judging from the color of the, bottle. There is a birthday cake here. I wonder whose birthday it is for today. Is this Elsa's birthday? Do you know, guys? Looks really yummy. It looks like it's a strawberry cake. Now let's move on to this side of the refrigerator. Oh, let's see. Ooh. Cream cheese. Cream cheese. We also have some meatballs. Oh, don't we all love mac and cheese? We just love it, right? I cannot live without it, definitely not. Let's see. Oh, other than juice, we also have milk. Ooh, we do have a bunch of varieties. See what this is. Oh, it's butter and chocolate. Butter and chocolate. So, some more milk. We also have a bottle of sparkling water right here. Well, and definitely some lime soda. And, well, we're done with this part. Now we're moving on to this part. Ooh, looks like there are some sandwiches here. Ooh, it's a Japanese style of sandwiches. Do you recognize these? They're like really popular in Japan. So you can find this kind of food in any Japanese restaurants basically. Oh, and if you haven't given it a try, you should definitely ask Mommy to bring you there. And, well, some more pudding maybe? Or cake? Okay, grape juice. Oh, apple soda. And definitely some soy sauce. I'm thinking the soy sauce would go really well with the sandwich. Okay? Okay, ooh, we've almost emptied this refrigerator. We're going into the very last part. Oh, what is this? I'm going to unwrap this with you. Make sure you stay with me. Wow. Okay, so we have carrot here. We have a tomato here. And definitely some lettuce. It's such a healthy family with all the healthy food filled up, filling up the refrigerator. Okay, so... Oh, we also have some spicy sauce. Do you guys like eating spicy food? It's written here, hot and spicy. I would definitely have to stay away from this sauce. I'm really scared of eating spicy food. Okay, and the last item that we just found from this refrigerator is the cream puff. Okay, wow. Looks like there are lots of food here. Oops. There's a pot here. What is this for? I wonder why Mommy puts this pot in the refrigerator. That's weird. I don't know what this is for. Okay, wow. Woo. Oh, there's just one more item here. Oh, it's cookies. For sure, right? Cookies for everybody. Okay, so just a final check. Looks like we're done digging into this refrigerator, right? Whoa, nice. Oh, let's go ahead and see if we can actually close this refrigerator. Because we all have to be environmentally friendly, right? We're wasting too much of the electricity. Ooh, nice. Look at this. Ooh. See? You can see Princess Elsa and Princess Anna right here. Isn't this super gorgeous? This looks really cool to me. Oh, this is nice. You can open it and close it at ease. See? looks like Elsa. Just got home from supermarket and got us some more food. Let's see what she got. Ooh, nice. Look at this. She got him some turkey. I wonder why she got us turkey. Because last time I checked, today it's not Thanksgiving. Oh, some more butter? She must have forgotten that we still have butter at home. She's so careless, right? Some chocolate. And some more ice cream bar. Alright, well Elsa, don't forget to return the basket to the supermarket. Ooh, so far this toy looks really fun to me, with all these toys, with all of the food here, with the fruit, chocolate. What else we got here? Cake, cream puff, cookies, and the microwave cupboard and refrigerator. This is like a complete set of your kitchen necessities, right? Everything's included. So I think we're done reviewing this very cute little refrigerator set today. So thank you for tuning in, and until next time, take care. Bye! Watching the Toy Park channel. See what we got today. Doesn't this look very exciting? Wow. This is the My Little Pony Sweet Rainbow Bakery set. Can you see all the delicious cakes right here? And they're so colorful as well. Must be really yummy. Okay. Let's unwrap this together and take a look all of the accessories inside, okay? You ready, right? Okay, let's do this. this is really pretty. This is gorgeous. This is more than pretty. It's awesome. Look at the bakery store that we have. Let's get the bakery party rolling. Okay, let's see what we got.
Do you guys remember me? I'm your little pony. See how pretty my hair is. I just love pink hair. It looks so good on me, right? Okay, so what else do we have here? Let's see. We have a tray here. I wonder what this is for. As I'm unwrapping these cupcakes, I think I found the answer. Voila! I believe all the cupcakes should go on this tray right here. Wow, they look so yummy to me. So we have strawberry flavor, we have blueberry flavors, and we have grapes flavor right here. Okay, let's see what we got. Whoa, let's take a look at this one. What is this? Looks like more dessert are coming, right? I love this heart-shaped cake. Must be really sweet. Oh well, a tea set cannot be completed without some drinks, right? Let's see what we got here. We have lime juice, we have blueberry juice, we have strawberry juice, and we have lemon juice. I personally love the strawberry flavor the most. Which one is your favorite? Seems like I'm smelling something really sugary and sweet. I wonder where this comes from. Now I know why it smells so delicious and sugary here. Because guess what? The strawberry cupcakes are ready. The blueberry cupcakes are ready. And the green apples cupcakes are ready as well. And other than all these cupcakes, looks like the cakes are ready as well. Woo! Don't they look so colorful to you? I can't wait to take a bite of them. Wow! I wonder which one I should be getting for today's tea. This is really tough. Ma'am, which one is your signature dish? I would like to give it a try. Oh well, little pony, our signature dish should be the cookies, which is going to be ready in a minute. See? Don't they look super crispy to you? It's chocolate mint cookies. Wow, they look so nice, don't they? Why don't you give this a try? Let me think. I'll need a minute. Sure, take your time. So what do you want, Pony? I think I'll take the carrot cake. Mommy said carrots are good for your eyes. Oh, that is so true. Why don't you take the cake and pay at the cashier counter? Sure, thank you so much. I'm paying for this cake right now. But first of all, let me put on my rolling shoes first so I can rush there in a minute. Hey kids, people say I look really smart in those shoes, don't you think? Okay, let me go pay for it now. Shh. Oh, here we go. Here's the cashier counter. Ma'am, how much is this carrot cake? Oh, Pony, it's a total of $20. 20? Okay, here you go. Thank you. Please wait for a minute. Let me unlock this cashier now. Wow. Alright, here you go. Here's $20, miss. Thank you, Pony. Wow, looks like this is the magic key. It really is. So, I'm just wondering, what else can you use this for? Is there any other purpose using it? It's a secret, but I can show you what this key can unlock. See? Wow, this is definitely magical. I know, right, Pony? I wonder what this is though. What is this? It's pink in color. There are some hearts on it. And I can smell some sugary scent. What is this? Well, Pony, this one I cannot tell you. Why don't you guess it yourself? This is giving me such a headache. Guys, why don't you help me out and give it a guess? Well, after you've guessed what this is, make sure you let me know in the comment box down below, okay? I can't wait to reading all of your answers. Okay, looks like we're done with today. I will see you next time, okay? And until then, take care. Bye!